So welcome back students. We are discussing quadrilateral. In a previous section we discussed question number third one, and today's section I am going to discuss the fourth question. So that is the show that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at a right angle. So here they given one square and their diagonals. So using that one we want to show that their diagonals are bisect each other at a right angle. So first write down given. So what they given here? A square. ABCD is the square and their diagonal AC and BD are the diagonals. So ABCD is a square and ACBD are the diagonals. To prove here we want to prove here the diagonals are equal means AC is equal to BD and the diagonal are bisect each other at a right angle means here AC is a perpendicular to BD. Is it clear? So here AC is equal to BD and AC bisect BD at right angle that is AO is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD and AC is perpendicular to BD. So this much we want to show here. Is it clear? Then proof. So consider here the two triangle. Which one? ABC. So this one is the triangle ABC. So in this triangle and another triangle ABD and ABC. In these two triangle, in a triangle ABC and a triangle ABD. So in these two triangle AB is the common. AB is equal to AB common side. AB is equal to AB is the common side and here AD is equal to BC because ABCD is a square. BC is equal to AD. ABCD is a square. In a square opposite sides are equal and the angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. In a triangle ABC angle B and triangle ABD angle D. So this angle and these two angles are equal because in a square opposite angles are equal or each is 90 degree. ABCD is a square. In a square the opposite angles are equal. In a square all angles each angles is 90 degree. So in these two triangle are congruent to the each other by SAS, right? The triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle ABD by SAS, side angle side rule. These two triangle are congruent. So these two triangle are congruent to the each other means their corresponding parts are equal. AC is equal to BD. So AC is equal to BD by CPCD. So here we proved the diagonals are equal to each other. So well students, now we want to prove the diagonal are bisect each other at a right angle, right? So consider a triangle here AOB and a triangle COB. In a triangle AOB and a triangle COB. AOB and a triangle COB. in these two triangle, angle AOB is equal to angle COB. Vertically opposite angles are equal, and AB is equal to DC. In square, all sides are equal, right? That means AB is equal to DC. ABCD is a square, right? And the angle, see here, these two angles are equal because these two are the parallel, means alternate angles. So angle ABO is equal to angle CDO, alternate angles. So these two triangles are congruent to each other by AAS criteria. The triangle AOB is congruent to the triangle COB by AAS rule. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. It means their corresponding parts are equal. OD is equal to OB and OA is equal to OC. So AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD by CPCT. Right. So here we proved these sides are equal. It means bisect each other. Now we want to prove it is a bisect each other at a right angle. It means here we want to show the angle is a 90 degree. So now I will consider in a triangle ABC. So now in a triangle ABC, so write down the angle BAC plus angle BCA is equal to 90 degree because reason, therefore reason here angle B is equal to 90 degree. So angle B is a 90 means sum of these two is a 90 because angle sum property of a triangle, sum of these three angle is a 180. Already we know that angle B is the 90. So it is a 90 means sum of these two is the 90. So here angle BAC plus angle BCA is equal to 90. And we know that these two angles are equal because AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC because ABCD is a square. Square means these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal means the in a triangle equal side opposite angles are equal. That's why these two angles are equal. So instead of BAC we can write BCA. Angle BCA plus angle BCA is equal to 90. So 2 angle of BCA is equal to 90. Then the angle of BCA is equal to 45. So angle BCA it is 45, right? So now we can write this one, or angle BCO is equal to 45. Angle BCA is a 45. It means angle BCO is also 45. So this angle is a 45. Now consider a triangle. In a triangle BCO. So in this triangle. Apply the angle sum property. So angle BCO plus angle COB plus angle OBC is equal to 180. Angle sum property. So angle sum property of this triangle, sum of these three angle is a 180 and it is a 45 already. We know that already we proved. And see here CO is equal to OD. These two are because the diagonals are bisect each other. So these two sides are equal means automatically this angle is a 45, right? So these two are the 45. So 45, 45, we got 90 plus angle COB is equal to 180. So it becomes angle COB is equal to 180 minus 90. We got 90. So this angle is the 90. So it is a 90 means that is OC is a perpendicular to OB. So this implies we can write OC is a perpendicular to OP. We can write uh, BD is a perpendicular to AC. BD is the perpendicular to AC. Hence AC is equal to BD, and AC is a perpendicular to BD, and AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD. Hence proved. Is it clear?